Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Roma, and today we are doing the Contemporary Classics look. This is one of my feature looks for this season. If you are local to me and you want me to come and visit you one-on-one and go through this look, I would be delighted to. That is one of the services we offer with Mary Kay. And it's free of charge. So if you're looking for a new look, why not give something new a try? This is really great. This is a very neutral look. If you're a neutral kind of person, you're gonna love this. These are the colors that we're working with today. So we have over here in the corner, we've got Rustic, then we've got Gold Status, Espresso, and then we're gonna be working with our contour color Latte and our highlighter color Honey, what is it? Glazed. So those are the colors that we're working with, and then we've got Better Than Bare for a lipstick color. You can probably see it better that way. And we're gonna use a lip gloss soft nude, which is really, really pretty. So let's get started. This is a really simple look. We're gonna start with our crease brush, which has this great angle on it. We're gonna put some Rustic on there, and we are going to apply this in the crease of our eye. So I like to start on the outer corner because we usually have a little bit more pigment on the brush when we first put it on, and that way it'll deposit it at the outer end instead of in the inner corner. And then the other side. Crease brush is really cool. It's actually designed with this angle. You can put the pointy end right in the crease. The crease is that groove at the top of your eyeball, and it actually applies the makeup right in the exact right spot, which is awesome. So now we're gonna put that brush aside. We're gonna use our smudger brush, which is a little bit of a tighter bristle in a pointy manner. And what it does is it's a little bit stronger bristles to get the color where we want it. And we're gonna pick up this Gold Status, and this is going to go in the inner corner of our eye. So we're gonna brighten up that area. You know, if you've heard me do a look before, that this does make your eyes look brighter, which gives you more of a perception of youth, which don't we all want that? We all want that. I'm sure of it. So that goes on the inner corner of the eye. Then we're gonna go back to that crease brush, just clean it off, and we're gonna use Espresso, which is quite dark and pigmented. So just be cautious when you're using this. And this is going to go just along our lash line. So it's gonna give us a big kind of smudgy lash line on the top, all the way along. And then we're actually going to do the outer third of the eye as well underneath. So kind of a little bit of a neutral smoky look. I am going to grab our all over eyeshadow brush and just blend all of that together a little bit so it's not so, doesn't stand out and has defined lines as much as it does. And I'm gonna pull it out to the outer corner of our eye. Then we're going to use our brown eyeliner. So this is just a little demo that I'm using today, but of course our regular retail ones would be quite a bit bigger for you to use. And we're just going to do a line on the upper lid, lash line just above the lashes. Nothing fancy, because again, this is a very classic neutral look. Just like that. We're gonna finish it off with our mascara. Today we're going to be using our Ultimate Mascara. There it is. Our Ultimate Mascara is again one of our classics. It is really great. It has a great brush on it. It's actually beeswax based. It's not tar based, so it's not going to crack your lashes off. And we're going to just put that on our lashes. I often get asked if we need to do mascara on the top and bottom lashes. Totally up to you. It's kind of a personal thing. I sometimes find that my eyes are quite weepy, so I avoid putting it underneath for the most part on my lashes. But if you like that look and you like how it is on you, there is nothing wrong with that at all. All right. I love how mascara just like pops your eyes right away. All right, and then we are going to do a little bit of contouring. Let's find my, with our Latte below the cheekbones. So I use our cheek brush. It has an angle to it, so that flat, taller part, that's what I like to use for the contouring piece of it. So get a little bit of contour color on there, and just underneath your cheekbones, you want to create that shadow. So that's what we're doing there. People say to me too, I don't like to look like I'm wearing makeup. Well, neutral look is those girls that you see, those models that you see that aren't wearing any makeup are actually wearing quite a bit of makeup. So keep that in mind. Our highlighter, we are going to deposit just on the cheekbones. And for this one, I like to use the rounded side. And that's just gonna give us some glow on our cheeks. So there's no real color here. We're just playing with the light and shadow, which is awesome. Then we're gonna take our Better Than Bare lipstick, which is super hydrating. Again, very classic, very neutral looking. I'm gonna use our lip brush to apply it. I've got it there. Great neutral color for sure. This look calls for a little bit of lip gloss on top, so we're gonna use this soft nude and just give it some shine and color. And that is it for our Contemporary Classics look for this season. Give me a thumbs up or like the video if you like the look, and certainly if you do want to get together and try it for yourself, then, or even with a group of friends, that's super fun too, then make sure you reach out to me and we'll see if we can get you booked in. Thanks so much for joining me.